PXE OS installation, we required one server. We will do some configuration. We required some ISO files. Then we will connect our server to a switch. After that, you will connect all of your endpoints to that switch. And then you will be able to install any OS in the network. In this video series, I will show you how can you deploy any OS in the network. In this video, we will learn how to install Server 2019 over the network. Here I have mentioned 12 steps. We will follow these steps one by one and complete this installation. The first step is we will download Server software and Server 2019 ISO file. As you can see, I have downloaded this file already. Step 1 is completed. Step 2, we will assign an IP address on our main system. We will use this command to assign the IP address. I am using 10.1.1.1. This step is completed. Step number 3, we will disable the firewall of our system. We will use this command. This step is completed. Step number 4, we will create a directory in D drive and set the name root. This step is completed. Step number 5, we will open Server software and configure it. This is our Server software. We will extract this file and run server64.exe. Click on top left icon, go to settings, click on TFTP, click on TFTP server and bind this server IP address. Click on browse and select the root directory. Go to DHCP tab, DHCP server, click on BINL, bind this server IP address, and here we will assign the pool size 10.1.1.2 and here we will type 10. Subnet mask I am using 255.0.0.0. Router domain name server and domain name I am using 10.1.1.1. Click on OK and close this window. We will start this application again. As you can see, it created a couple of files in the root directory. We will close this application. This step is also completed. Now we will share this directory with this name. We will go to the directory. This is the directory. Right click, properties, sharing, advanced sharing, share this folder and change the name here. Click on OK and close. This step is also completed. Step number 7, we will create a folder under this directory and set the name OS. This step is also completed. Now we will extract the ISO file to that OS directory. This is our ISO file. Right click, extract file and select that OS directory. This one. Click on OK. This step is also completed. Now we will set a password for our main user. We will use this command. I am using admin, so I will set password for this account. We will use this password later while we will perform the installation. This step is also completed. Next step is we will start server software and boot our client machine from the network. I am using VMware for client machine, so I will create a machine and trying to boot from network. Power on this machine. And you can see this machine is trying to boot from network. We will get this window. Press enter here. Here we will put the username and password. I was using admin and I will put that password here and click on connect. These are the general steps which we need to follow step by step, and we will complete this installation. Setup is going on. It will take couple of minutes. We will set administrator password here. Click on finish. We will press Ctrl or Delete to log in the system. Here we will put the administrator password. Now we will check the version. So we have successfully deployed this OS. We have completed this step. and this step as well. Step number 12 is for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. I will create more videos on this topic. If you have any idea or topic, you can drop them in the comment section. I will try to cover them in upcoming videos. Thank you so much.